Hello everyone, today we are introducing our latest fashion sensation for ladies who crave style and versatility. This is a black with highlighted brown water wavy curl wig. This wig is designed specifically for trendsetters who adore changing hair colors frequently. This wig is crafted with meticulous care. This 16-inch length wig boasts a lustrous blend of black and highlighted brown tones, giving it a vibrant and eye-catching appeal. The base size of 12x4 and the wrist parts are attached with a hair bundle which ensures a comfortable and secure fit, while the high-quality materials guarantee durability and long-lasting beauty. However, the partition in the middle and the density of 150% will ensure the natural appearance. On the other hand, we understand the importance of comfort. It includes adjustable straps and clips, ensuring a secure and personalized fit for all-day wear. For placing an order, please knock us on WhatsApp or you may visit our website www.wigbd.com. Thank you so much for watching the video. Goodbye and take care.